Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of hydraulic solutions, focusing on the exciting customization options available at HFD Hydraulic. Whether you need a specific hydraulic valve, a tailored system, or unique features, HFD Hydraulic has got you covered. Let's explore how you can customize your hydraulic components to fit your exact needs. When it comes to hydraulic systems, one size doesn't fit all. Different applications require different specifications, and that's where customization comes in. At HFD Hydraulic, we understand that each project has unique demands, and we are committed to providing solutions that perfectly match your requirements. One of the standout features of HFD Hydraulics is our ability to customize hydraulic valves. We offer a wide range of valve types, including directional control valves, pressure control valves, and flow control valves. But the real magic happens when we tailor these valves to your specifications. Need a specific flow rate or pressure setting? We can adjust the valve parameters to ensure optimal performance for your application. Beyond individual components, HFD Hydraulics also specializes in creating custom hydraulic systems. Our team of experts will work closely with you to design and build a system that meets your exact requirements. From power units to control systems, every aspect can be customized to ensure seamless integration and maximum efficiency. Customization isn't limited to just technical specifications. At HFD Hydraulic, we offer a variety of unique features and configurations to enhance the functionality and usability of our products. Whether it's adding specific mounting options, integrating sensors, or designing compact layouts, we have the flexibility to accommodate your needs. Quality is a top priority at HFD Hydraulics. Our customization process includes rigorous testing and quality checks to ensure that every product meets our high standards. Our commitment to customization extends beyond the initial design and manufacturing stages. HFD Hydraulic offers comprehensive customer support to assist you throughout the entire lifecycle of your hydraulic system. From installation guidance to troubleshooting and maintenance, our team is here to help. In conclusion, HFD Hydraulic offers a wide range of customization options to meet the diverse needs of our customers. Whether you need specialized hydraulic valves, custom systems, or unique features, we are dedicated to providing solutions that deliver optimal performance and reliability. Visit our website at www.hfdhydraulic.com to learn more about our customization capabilities and how we can help you achieve your hydraulic goals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.